Hi, have you heard of the hot new craze of the meal prep service? Well, the problem with it is that they never have in their meals exactly what their macros are, the protein, the carbs, and the fats, and the calorie count that they claim to have. So if you're on a weight loss or a nutrition plan, it's really hard if the numbers aren't accurate. And the food never tastes as fresh as they claim. And really, you're not learning how to eventually be able to cook for yourself healthy, nutritious meals. So you're always relying on that company. And how long do you want to pay for someone else to cook your food and before you get burned out? So I thought of an idea where a personal chef can come into your home once or twice a week to help you meal prep. They'll teach you gourmet cooking techniques, all while they're standing next to you in the kitchen and teaching you. So we're not just giving a man a fish, we're teaching a man to fish. And so by this way, you'll be able to get confident in the kitchen with cooking and your cooking skills, but you'll also be able to learn nutritious ways to prepare healthy, delicious food for you and your family. And then you'll be able to prepare it so it saves you time throughout the week.